Okay, this is my review of my Philips Sun alarm clock, which I love, and I'll give you a brief demonstration of what it does. So here's the light. It's on 20. It's showing lines across, but that's not really what it looks like. It's just coming through my phone, and then I'll shut that off. Like that. And then to set the alarm, there are buttons all around the edges, which I wish the buttons were different sizes or maybe even shapes so that you could feel it in the morning to know which buttons you were hitting. To actually hit the snooze button, all you have to do is put your hand across the front and it'll put it into snooze. And to set the alarm, you just press it has two alarm buttons, so you press the alarm like that, and you can set the time. It's a touch screen like that, and then select, and then select. Or you can go into the menu and you can change the time for the clock. And you can adjust the brightness. I think it goes up to 20 of the light, and the sound. It's not the best sound quality. And then you can pick the sound that you want to come out. So I think that's it. So that's the sound that I have. I recommend using the sound feature along with the light because maybe 2 times I didn't wake up with just the light and the birds woke me up. So it's a good backup feature for it. And that's it. I really love it. I think it's great and I'm happy with my purchase.